Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. So just here, you'll be able to see a small hole, just large enough for a little tiny screwdriver to get in and crack the case apart. So we get our little screwdriver and we just pop it in there. And the case comes apart. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. We just get a screwdriver and we just push it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2450, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just slide it back into the housing, making sure on this particular one that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you get the other half of the case. Make sure it all lines up and we just click it back together. And there you go. It's all done.